Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a bee. That's right, we're going to draw a cute bee. This bee will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the bee's body first. Here we will draw a large oval for the bee's body. Next, we will draw in 2 strips on the bee. Let's draw in 4 parallel curved lines and fill in the gap with our black marker for the bee's strip. Now, let's draw in the bee's eyes and nose. You can also change it up and make the bee's eyes really big or really small. Next, let's add in a curved line of the bee's antenna. Let's not forget the bee's stinger. Now it is time to draw in the wings for our bee. I will draw in 2 circles extending from the bee's back of each side. Feel free to draw in larger wings for the bee as well. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using yellow to color in the bee's body. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. You can also change the facial expressions for the bee too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Isn't it so cute already? Let's start by coloring in our wings. Feel free to change up the bee's color and use other colors as well for the wing. Coloring can be so much fun. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Wow! Look at our amazing little bee friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a blue sky with some fluffy clouds. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little bees flying in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the bee. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.